Here's how to delete a Facebook page. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can delete a Facebook page. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So in order to delete a Facebook page, we need to open a Facebook first. So I'm just gonna type in Facebook in my app library and open it. And here we go. So you need to go to your Facebook page first. Here I'm on the account right now, but to go and access your Facebook page is very simple. You first need to go to your menu, and once you're inside your menu section, you'll see your page shortcut right over here, which you can directly access. But if you don't see it, you can just basically press this arrow right over here right next to your page, or the switch icon. You can do both. But yeah, I'm just gonna press on Gaming Bros, and this is basically a page that I could use. And right over here, what you simply need to do after that is go back to menu again, and then now search. Press on the search icon right over here, search and privacy, and right over here it would take you right over here, right? So simply people would directly find the delete option. So if you don't see it, you need to go to your access and control, and right over here, as you can see in your information tab, you can just basically go to access and control, and right over here you'll see two options: deactivate page and delete page. So this is a temporary method. If you want your page you want it to be disabled or deleted for a temporary time period, you can go ahead and do that. But if you want to delete your permanently, so just press on delete page and press continue after that, and it will ask you why do you want to do that, and tell them why do you want to do that, and after that just press continue again, and then it will give you these before you delete, you can download your posts and everything, your information, and then press continue afterwards, and then you just gotta enter your password and then press continue after that again, and you're good to go, and your account will be permanently deleted. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can delete a Facebook page. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.